Hello beautiful people out there. Today we gonna learn how to make a very basic and simple YouTube thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Let's start. So first of all, let's see what we gonna learn today. So yeah, this is the thumbnail that we gonna be making, and the app that we will be using is called canva.com. It's a simple website and also an app for phones that it's just very easy to use and it's free. So basically you can create a lot of other graphics as well, but today we'll be learning how to use it for making a YouTube thumbnail. So no more talking, let's just dive right in. Alright guys, I hope that you are ready. Let's start. Okay, so in here we have opened the CANVA app that is on the website. I'll just create a design in here by clicking this beautiful button. I'll just type YouTube, which will show me all the options for YouTube. In here we see YouTube thumbnail, so just click on it. Let's wait a little bit. Oh wait, nice. Okay, so what I like is usually seeing the thumbnail from a little bit of far, because usually it's also displayed quite small and not just through the whole screen as we have it in here. So the first thing we need to do is using a picture that we preferred before. I have taken a picture with my iPhone and now just drag and drop it in here. So now you can see the picture of myself. I'll just scale it, which means that I'll just drag this right upper corner on to the size that I want. Now just still with left click on the picture and just move it a little bit down so it fills the whole canvas. Okay, maybe I'll just need a little bit up. Yes. Okay, so that was the very first easy thing to do. Just put a picture on the frame, and let's put a text element with some background on the top of it. So I'll just press the elements in here, choose this first rectangle. Yeah, just press left and then it pops up in here. In the left upper corner we can choose a color, which in this case will be black, as we could see from the Think Media. You can also pick a new color by yourself in here by just dragging the mouse all over and just choosing whichever color you want, but let's go with a black. It's always the easiest one. Okay, as you can see we have some places of the rectangle in here which changes the cursor on mouse over, and if we drag this left or right, it will just rescale the whole rectangle. So yeah, let's just let's maybe just have one like this right now, and now I'll press copy in here with the right click on it, then just paste it back again. So yeah, now we have two of those rectangles where we'll be putting text on. Okay, so let's just repeat it for the third time. Let's press right and then paste it again. So right now it's just a very simple. Okay, what I don't like about this is that the rectangle is somehow just covers the fingers of mine, so I'll just readjust, maybe like this. And now we'll proceed to write some text on it. So that's the step number 3. So I'll just press text. We'll start with just a very basic add a heading. So I just pressed it, then now I'll move the text in here and write some headline in there, right? So let's do make how to make Okay, now at another heading, so just press again. Now just move the whole text typography in our rectangle, and just how to make YouTube. And now I'll show you how you can duplicate the text by yourself. Just right click in here, press copy, and paste it again. So now we have 2 of those texts, and cover. Oh, it's actually a thumbnail. Okay, so let's see the referral picture. Okay, that looks totally different, right? We could see that their text is just really close to borders of the rectangle, so we'll change it also a little bit. Let's first align all those text to the right side, so you can see that the Canva app is really clever, and so it shows us all the guidelines. Right, when I move it around, you can see those pinky dashed lines that tells me if it's aligned or not. Okay, so right now I'm seeing it's quite nice, and then I will change the rectangles. We already know how to, right? We just pressed left on it, and now just move this so it gets closer to the text. Okay, that looks already so different, right? So now we can do the thing with the rest of the rectangles. Again, you can see that it helps us a lot. Now we'll do it with this as well. And here we can see that it's a little, yes, and voila. The last part that is waiting now is just moving this whole thing a little bit up. So I just left click and choose both the rectangle and the text. Now with pressing the arrow up on my keyboard, it will move this whole text a little bit up. Okay, easy enough. Okay, so let's do the same with thumbnail text, and we are almost ready and good to go. Okay, now I think we finished the basic YouTube thumbnail that you just guys hope for, and let's do a little extra thingy. If you type into Google YouTube logo, you can download actually a logo of YouTube, which is cool, and it creates a nice other sort of extra of the thumbnail that we can produce. So now I'll just basically download it on my computer, and again I can just drag and drop it on my canvas in here. Now I can just play with it and rescale it a little bit down as well. We did that with the rectangle already. I'll just put it maybe down here, and we are good to go. Okay, so the last step that is awaiting is downloading this whole picture. Just press download and then click in here. So that was, guys, it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the whole tutorial, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Hang is out.